Hello everyone, welcome to my egg channel. I'm Egg Dan. Today we are going to show you about our trip with the Paper Bee Army and show you can create your own paper bee. It is super fun and easy to make. You can design your own bee with color pencils as well. Gather more family and friends to do the bee race and see how far your paper bee can go. To make our paper bee, you will need some lightweight paper. I found paper thinner than A4 thickness works. Sticky tape, a pair of scissors, color pencil, crayon, or textures to design your own bee. Let's get started! Now follow the edge and follow your paper and fold your paper into a triangle. Cut along the edge to make a square shape. Fold the paper into triangle again, unfold it, then fold the corner towards the center crease. Firstly, get a piece of paper, cut a long strip from the side. The size of the strip really depends on how big the paper bee you want it to be. Measure the length of one side of your square paper. The length of the strip should be the same length as your square plus 1/4 length, which means 1 plus 1/4 in total, and the width is approximately 1/3 of the bee size. Read through all the instructions to get better ideas before you cut. Fold towards the center crease again, then fold it up. Measure the length of your triangle and get the long strip and cut the same length. Draw a design on your paper bee if you wish to do so. Join both ends by inserting one corner into the opening on the other corner. Use sticky tape to secure it. attach the strip on top of the joint and secure it with sticky tape. Using a pen or pencil, roll the wings slightly to give an upward curve. You can experiment with different wings designs and see which flies better. Now our paper bee is ready to fly. Ta-da! Here's a little sneak peek on how to draw the paper bee army friends. For step-by-step pictorial, you can come to our website by clicking the link below. We will be uploading more easy and fun videos for you all. Want to be the first to hear about Egg-chan and the Sunny Egg channel? Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and we look forward to see you all again. And have fun with your paper bee craft project.